Good morning, children. We have studied a chapter, Give and Take. And now, today we are going to start a new chapter, Fun with Give and Take. Now, fun with give and take is going to be lot of fun. Children, because give and take is an integral part of our life. And this involves addition and subtraction. And the simplest of people like vendors and shopkeepers who are not very educated also can do addition and subtraction very quickly. Now, how they have mastered this art? The reason is that they keep doing it day in and day out. So today, children, I am going to show you subtraction with the help of our currency notes, because currency notes are something which are used to give and take every day. No day of yours can be complete without giving and taking of currency notes to buy so many things of daily needs. So come, let us start our activity. Okay, children, just have a look at this. All these are 10 rupee notes. These are old 10 rupee notes and these are the new 10 rupee notes. Let us count how much of money is this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This money is rupees 100. Okay, let us see how many notes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So children, 10 notes of 10 rupees make 100 rupees. And I'm sure at some point you must have heard people saying, can you give me the change of 100 rupee? In that case, what we are supposed to do, in place of 100 rupee notes, we can give these 10 rupee notes and we will not have any loss. So, if you have these 10 rupee notes and in place of these 10 rupee notes, if I give you this 100 rupee note, then those 10 notes and 100 rupee notes mean the same. Okay, now let me show you some money which I have. I have 200 rupees, 150 rupees and 4 10 rupees. Let us see how much money is this. This is 200, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290. I have 290 rupees. Suppose I spend 160 rupees to buy books. So I will have to give this 100 rupee note, this 50 rupee note and this 10 rupee note to the shopkeeper. So children, I have given 160 rupees to the shopkeeper. Now, how much money is left with me? Let us see. 100, 110, 120 and 130. So I am left with 130 rupees. I gave 160 rupees to the shopkeeper. And this giving away of money, what have I done? I have done subtraction. I have given away 160 rupees and now I am left with 130 rupees. So children, today I have 300 rupee notes Okay, see, these are 20 rupee notes. I have 300 rupee notes, 4 20 rupee notes and 1 10 rupee note. This is the 10 rupee note. So total how much money do I have? Let us see. 300, 320, 340, 360, 380 and 390. I have total 390 rupees. Now I bought a chocolate packet to gift to my friend, and that the cost of that chocolate packet was 230 rupees. Now remember children, I have 390 rupees and the cost of chocolate packet was 230 rupees. So I will give these 200 rupee notes and this. This is 220 plus 10. 230 rupees I will give to the shopkeeper. Now let us see, when I give this 230 rupees to the shopkeeper, how much money is left with me. I have got 100 rupee note and 320 rupee notes. So how much money do I have? 100, 120, 140, 160. So I am left with 160 rupees. Today I have this much money. I have a 500 rupee note, a 200 rupee note, a 50 rupee note, a 20 rupee note and a 10 rupee note. So today I have various denomination of money. Let us count total how much money do I have. So 500 plus 200 gives me 700. So these two notes are 700 rupees. Then 750 rupees. 50 plus 20 is 70. Then 770 rupees and 10 is 80. So 780 rupees. Again I will show it to you children. 500 plus 200 is 700. 50 plus 20 is 70. Plus 10 is 80. So I have 780 rupees. I went to buy the book set from the shopkeeper. So the stationery shopkeeper told me that the cost of the book set is 730 rupees. So I had to pay 730 rupees to him to buy the books. So I gave him 730 rupees. See children, this is 700. 500 plus 200 is 700. 20 plus 10 is 30. So I gave him 730 rupees to buy the book set. And when I gave him 730 rupees to buy the book set, how much money am I left with? I am only left with 50 rupees. But I am not sad. Why? Because I have invested in books. And books are the best things to be bought. Because books help us to gain knowledge. So children, I am left with only 50 rupees. Okay children, one day my friend came with this 100 rupee note to me and she said, do you have the change for this 100 rupee notes? Now I had 5 20 rupee notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you think I should give these 5 20 rupee notes to my friend in exchange of this 100 rupee note? Come on, think. You know the table of 2. So that way you can make the table of 20. 20 plus 20, 40, plus 20, 60, plus 20, 80 plus 20, 100. So these 5 20 rupee notes make 100 rupees. So in place of this 100 rupees, I can give these 5 20 rupee notes to my friend. Okay, now one day my friend came to me with a 200 rupee note and she wanted change. Can I give this 100 rupees in place of this 200 rupees? No, obviously not, because 200 is more than 100. So what I will have to do, I will have to give her 200 rupee notes in place of this 200 rupees. So 100 plus 100 makes 200. Now, one day she came to me with a 500 rupee note. Now, what should I do? She wanted change. Now, 200 plus 100 is 300 plus 100 is 400. So, how much more money do I need to give him in exchange of 500 rupee note, beta? Think, come on, this is 200 plus 100, 300 plus 100, 400. So, I need to give her one more 100 rupee note in the exchange of 500 rupees. 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Another day, children, my friend came to me with a 50 rupee note. Now she wanted a change of rupees 50. So I had one 20 rupee note, another 20 rupee note. Now 20 plus 20 makes 40. I had to give how much more money to my friend so that it becomes equal to 50 rupee note. Come on, think. 20 and 20 is 40. But I have to give her 50. So how much more money should I give her? Yes, 10 rupees more. So 20 plus 20 plus 10. 20 and 20 is 40 plus 10 is 50. So these notes are equal to this rupees 50. So children, I hope you would have understood so many things today. That's all, and have a great day.